Senator Erwin,
Ang tanong
very brief lang, baka
po,
tayo panahon na.
ang sagot po dyan, Senate Pro Temp, nagbibiding-bidingan. Anyway, matanong ko lang po sa COA, na-relieve nyo na ho ba yung inyong first district COA auditor, yung sa Bulacan, na nag-audit ng mga ghost project? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa po, Your Honor.
Bakit po hindi ninyo ba na-relieve? Nakipagsabuatan na po sa district engineer po natin since 2022. Bakit di po na-relieve?
Sir, wala pa po namang ebidensya na nakipagsabwatan po yung...
Wala pa pong ebidensya 2023. Sa Pangulo na nagsabi, pati Senator Ping Lacson nagsabi, anong gusto mo? Ebidensya?
Your Honor, hindi po ako ang merong authority.
I know that. I know that. That's why I'm asking you. Now, when are we going to see her relieved or him relieved?
Ipapaalam ko po sa...
Ipaalam niyo po kaagad, okay? Dahil wala akong kaming oras.
Dito yung BIR, Commissioner, may this committee know kung among the 15 contractors, sino-sino dito yung mga top taxpayers. Kung meron kayong records dyan, sino-sino nagbabayad, o kung sino nagbabayad ng tax, at magkano ang binabayad nila.
Yes, Mr. Chair. As far as yung ranking is concerned, we currently don't have that kung anong in terms of top taxpayers sila. No? But definitely registered naman and merong mga payments and siguro because of 270, we cannot disclose the amount of taxes that they've been paying unless nandito naman sila kung willing silang i-waive yung Section 270.
So you cannot provide this committee?
In executive session na...
Executive session?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may we know from BIR in the next hearing kung magkano ang binabayaran nitong 15 construction companies na tax. Yun lang ang hingin ko, Mr. Chair. Ma'am, bibigay mo next hearing? Madala mo yung data? At kung gusto mo, executive session?
Executive, because that's the condition for Section 270, unless they waive their right to against the confidentiality under Section 270.
Do you think ganitong hearing hindi yan magiging exemption?
Hindi po, nakalagay po, executive session po.
Executive session?
Yes.
So i-ready mo next hearing, ha?
Yes, Mr.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Thank you,
With
Mr.
the
Chair.
permission, Chairman Bato, just on that point, Mr.
Yes.
Chairman. Mr. Chairman, just on that point. Yeah. Mr. Chairman, good afternoon, Mr. Commissioner. I think we have a different view. If you look at jurisprudence and dun sa Article 270, pag in-order ng Presidente or congressional hearings, you can disclose. What 270 prohibits is the unauthorized disclosure by a BIR employee. But when Congress asks you to disclose, you can disclose without liability. This is Abacada Guro Party List versus Purisima. Congress' power of oversight is intrinsic in the grant of legislative power and it in itself integral to the checks and balances inherent in a democratic system of government, etc., etc. Maybe you want to look at it muna, Commissioner, we can discuss later.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but in addition to Section 270, Section 20 of the Tax Code provides additional provision that submission of pertinent information to Congress, that any information or any return information which can be associated or otherwise identified directly or indirectly, a particular taxpayer shall be furnished the appropriate committee of Congress only when sitting in executive session, unless such taxpayer otherwise consents in writing. So,
You can submit to us.
yes, in executive session, but I think
Yes,
that
and then under our rules sa executive session, it is our choice whether we will disclose it or not.
yes,
So ang pinoprotektahan lang ng commissioner is yung integrity ng BIR at ng inyong responsibility. But once it is with us, I just want to make that clear. Diba? That is a decision that the committee will make as a committee, of course led by our chairman. Tama, Commissioner?
yes, yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you for that clarification.
Thank